In recent years, there have been many applications and industries with small and diverse orders. Personalized and customization services are commonly consumed. The digital cutting equipment in the market is mostly large and high in power consumption. The poses challenges for small space with limited locations such as product development centers, small batch orders, materials laboratories, many workshops, and office buildings. How to achieve customization needs can also embrace Industry 4.0 to achieve digital and automated production, improve product competitiveness, and pose a challenge. The small, sophisticated, and manufacturing equipment perfectly fills this gap in development and production supply, bring you a spring breeze with the suite VC9-960 in the industry. VC9-960, we call it little big. With a small footprint and compact size, high flexibility meets various business needs. Intelligent cutting, punching, and marking can be completed in one. Integrating multiple functions and fine quality. The preferred projection positioning, integrated pull-hole design, gear and rack rotation and support drive, safety radar, ergonomics, portable mobility, optional data-driven intelligent management. The IoT 220 voltage application is not limited to industrial power consumption of 318 volt, and the pneumatic device, like large-size equipment, can cut 4 to 18 mm multi-layers. It's the best choice for both development and bulk production. Industrial bees mark industry a bit sweet. Let's meet at the Canton Fair and witness her charm together.